So while 80 to 90% of people are bearish on crypto, I'm actually completely the opposite. And this is another one of the reasons why. So I'm looking at the stablecoin market cap. And this is USDC and USDT combined. But if we delete this and I zoom out, we can see that over the last few years, stablecoin adoption has been absolutely insane. We've gained tens of billions of dollars in the last like 3 or 4 years, which this is very positive for the market, especially long term. But something I wanted to point out, and an interesting correlation that I've seen, is when the stablecoin market cap starts to lose momentum to the upside and has these small corrections to the downside, we actually see pretty large corrections for the crypto market. And this is the most recent one. If I lay the crypto market on top of this chart, we can see that as this started to lose momentum in October of 2025, the crypto market actually made a massive move down. And then going back to the last correction before this one, after this massive explosion to the upside in November of 2024, we can see that this started to correct and the crypto market followed and went down. And then once this reversed and we started seeing a lot of bullish momentum to the upside, crypto flipped and started going up. And then before that, if we go back a little bit, we can see, one sec. Right here, when the stablecoin dominance had been going flat for several months and started to explode to the upside, this is when we saw a major rally for crypto. It's crazy how these basically go hand in hand. As this exploded to the upside, so did crypto. So basically what I'm trying to say is when stablecoin market cap is having massive expansions, that's very good for the crypto market. Because as you can see, when we have these big moves up, crypto also goes up. And then when we've had these moves down, crypto goes down. They're not perfectly aligned, but they're pretty similar. But if we look, as I said before in the beginning of the video, this is making new all-time highs. And this candle is pretty massive. We haven't seen a candle this big since September of 25. And before that, it was, I think, all the way back in December of 2024. So long story short, what I'm saying is stablecoin market cap is starting to go nuts, which probably means crypto is going to follow very soon.